डिबुक बॉक्स से निकली हुई रूह जब तक सब कुछ बर्बाद नहीं कर देगी तब तक वापस नहीं जाएगी।
So I have with me Mr. J. Krishnan, aka JK, writer director of Imran Hashmi's upcoming horror movie Dibuk. Welcome, sir, to NRI Pulse News with Namita. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Pleasure is all mine, Namita.
Sir, I saw the trailer yesterday and I was like scared to death. So, D-Book, this concept, this name is so new and so different. So, I think we should start with this concept. What is this concept and how did you come up with this idea? Why did you choose this subject to make a movie on it?
Well, Dibuk means malicious spirit in Hebrew. So, the whole movie is based on a Jewish myth, that is Dibuk.
Okay.
So, I would say the USP of the movie is the Jewish setting, the Jewish cultural twist.
वो वाइन कैबिनेट किसने खोला? वो डिबुक है। 16th सेंचुरी में कुछ जूइश लोग एक रिचुअल करते थे, डिससैटिस्फाइड स्पिरिट्स को बॉडी से अलग करके एक बॉक्स में बंद करने का।
So from where did you get this idea?
Well, I am from Cochin. It's in Kerala, southern part of India. So we had a thriving Jew population and we had a thriving Jew culture. So now most of them have migrated to Israel. So I had, an opportunity to meet a few of them, to know their culture. I was fortunate enough to get myself educated in their culture, about their customs, about their myths, about their mythology. So, and then I got to know about Dibuk, and that's how the idea of the film germinated. Yeah.
वो उन स्पिरिट्स को हिब्रू में शेडेम बुलाते थे, पर जो भी हो, इस डिबुक को कभी भी खोलना नहीं चाहिए।
So you wrote this movie as well. So is it based on some kind of real events or this is a work of fantasy?
It's a work of fiction.
Yeah. Definitely.
But seemingly real, yeah.
So did you have any kind of like, case studies while you were talking with your friends about D-Book?
Well, I had done a research. I made the Malayalam film. D-Book is a remake of a Malayalam film which I made in 2017.
Yeah, Ezra.
So, so I had done some research and we had a Jewish consultant on board so that to get to know, how authentic we are, what liberties we can take, So, because this culture is quite alien to most of us.
Yeah, of course.
So, because of his presence, he was a consultant. Even in Hindi also, we had a Jewish consultant to walk us through the mysticism aspect, through the myths, through the culture, so that, whatever we portray, we are authentic.
इस समय माही जो सोच रही है, देख रही है, महसूस कर रही है, वो वही सब कर रही है जो वो चाहता है।
So why did you think of remaking it into Hindi?
Well, the primary reason is the concept itself.
Yeah.
So we believe that, it could be told to a bigger audience in a bigger canvas, and it's the basic story and the concept is very universal. So why not a bigger canvas? And that's how the book happened.
Yeah, universal and unique, I would say, because this is a very unique concept. And of course, the teaser is looking really promising. So my next question would be, why Imran Hashmi for this role? Because we consider him a romantic hero, a female hero, a female person, and here he's fighting with a female ghost. So why did you choose Imran Hashmi for this role?
एक्सोर्सिज्म करता है, वो उस आत्मा का सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन बन जाता है।
I would say, why not Imran Hashmi? I think he is one of the intense actor we have today, and he is somebody who has aced this genre. He has a body of work in this particular genre, and fortunately, he liked Ezra and he loved the adapted screenplay which I have written. So the kind of intense actor I was looking for, he is also an intense actor, and yeah, our sensibilities matched, and yeah, we got the ball rolling.
And why a horror movie? Why to start your career with a horror genre?
Well, I don't plan my films according to genre. I get triggered by a story or a moment or an emotion. So I think the story, the concept, that is the primary important thing. So that might belong to a particular genre. So I never thought of doing a horror film to do a horror film. I wanted to tell a story which is close to my heart, which I want to tell, and that happened to be in this genre. So that's how the horror film happened. It wasn't a conscious decision to do a horror film.
Okay. So I saw the locations. I mean, it seems to be horror itself. So do you have any kind of anecdotes where you faced a ghost kind of story or real event, while shooting the book?
The gruesome killing of a local has sent shockwaves throughout the city.
I wish I could get some stories, but unfortunately, we were too busy shooting day and night. I think had there been any, supernatural force, it might have been kind enough to not to disturb us.
Not to disturb you.
Yeah, because throughout the night we were shooting. So, but I could get this vibe, a strange energy vibe.
Really?
So, yeah, some, not every time, like once in a while. So I had experienced it personally. You enter a room and you feel that the vibe is incorrect. I think sometimes it is true. That's what I believe. I choose to believe that way. But during the shooting of this film, I never experienced anything like that. As I told you, we were too busy making, shooting and, doing night shift and stuff. So.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Now let's talk about the heroine of the movie, Nikita Datta. She's more or less quite new. She doesn't have a great career to support her. So why did you choose her, and did she justify the character and of the movie?
माही कैसी है?
You know how it is, father. Miscarriage handle करना इतना आसान नहीं है। माही तुम्हें ये घर, ये जगह पसंद है ना?
पसंद नहीं होती तो इतना सजाने का थोड़ी सोचती।
डच मेड है मैडम, 300 साल पुराना।
Oh, totally, hands down. I wanted somebody who is relatively new, opposite Imran, and because the character demands that, and yet she has to be a good actor. So I've seen her audition. I've seen a couple of body of work, and that's how Nikita was roped in for the film. And let me tell you, she's a revelation. The kind of performance she has put in this film, and I'm totally happy with her performance. I hope audience also feel, the same. So I'm waiting for 29.
Yeah, we are waiting for 29th as well. Prime Videos. And so tell me one good thing about the movie and one which you thought I could have done it better.
Well, good thing about the movie, I don't know. I think the movie should speak for itself rather than me talking about the movie. What's a good thing about the movie? I think it's up to the audience. I think we are just a week away. So I think let the audience decide what's the oh, what are the good things about the film?
What are? Okay.
So, let's decide.
डिबुक बॉक्स से निकली हुई रूह जब तक सब कुछ बर्बाद नहीं कर देगी तब तक वापस नहीं जाएगी।
You know, what are your expectations from this movie?
Well, we had put our sweat and we through the pandemic. Our second schedule was after the first pandemic, first lockdown. I believe that, you know, we all believe we have made an engaging and entertaining film, and yeah, for a Halloween weekend,
Yeah.
I think it can't
Perfect
get better than
occasion.
this. Yeah, and it's streaming on 240 countries the same time. So I think, yeah, go see the film, have a ball, enjoy your Halloween.
So thank you so much, sir, talking with NRI Pulse News, and all the best for your movie.
Thank you, thank you. Nice talking to you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.